literally my new favorite, like just slow, funky. You want to do this and dance with a partner on this one or something. Okay, so here is where you're going to start. You're going to start like the first 8 counts. You could be like just dancing, just like kind of just sensual dancing or kind of whatever just feels good to the music. You could be imagining your partner. You could be right there with your partner, kind of whatever works for you. And then you're going to take a few steps back, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to take this right foot and you're going to step cross. So you will step cross. And I kind of like to throw my hands here. Step cross, step cross. Okay? Step cross, step cross. So it's kind of like a little chug. Step cross, step, step, cross, step. And then you're going to like point, say, yeah, you know who you are. You're going to point and point. I'll step back a little. Some people you'll see kind of point and get into a little more. I don't know. You just see how you feel on that part, okay? 1, 2, or 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you're going to step front and get that right leg in front and just kind of do a little hip roll. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. And 1, 2, and 3, 4. Okay? So it's kind of just like a step, step, roll, step, step, roll, step, step, roll, step, step, roll. Okay? And then you're going to take this left foot and you're going to step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap. Okay? So let's try that from the top. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. Step cross, point it out. Oh yeah, you know who you are. There you go. Roll it in 1, 2, and 3, 4. Step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap. Now, here goes the cool part, right? You're going to just step back on that right foot and roll it, and roll it, and roll it. We get like 2 8 counts here. Oh yeah, okay? Then we're going to step it and we're going to walk back to your partner or just walk it forward however you want to. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're going to slide it 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, let's finish because this is the last part. You're going to dance it out however you like. 5, 6, 7, 8. And you're going to take a and cross on an and 1. So you're dancing clap, clap, here, 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 and cross, step, step, step. And that's the beginning of the dance. And then we come back, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. Okay? All right, let's try one more time with counts before we do it with music. 5, 6. So we got 2 8 counts at the beginning. We're just kind of like, and he'll start singing when it actually starts. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and cross. Now point it out. Oh yeah, you know who they are, and roll it. 2 and 3, 4, and tap and tap and tap and tap and back and back and back. Walk it forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slide it back and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and cross. Step, step, step. Shake it. And then I like to take 2 steps back and then it starts right back in. Okay? Let's try that with music because the music, my friend, is just like amazing. You're going to love it. Let's do this.